Okay guys, so we're back with another video with the Yz125. So this is the old head, like we told you guys, the bridge, as you can see in there, was just busted through. There was no longer a bridge, so we had to buy a complete new top end. So we got this new head, new cylinder. And you can see this one has an existing bridge. It's brand new Athena with Athena piston. So we gapped the rings and everything. We made sure everything is within spec. We got the power valve all assembled off camera, so it's pretty much ready to go. So we're gonna go ahead and slap it on. We've got the new base gasket down in there. We cleaned everything up and we're gonna go ahead and assemble everything together. Okay, so we went ahead and got one of the C-clips on the piston. So we're gonna go ahead and install the piston right now. Just gonna put it right on like that, and then get the shaft on. Get them from this side. Get the shaft on first. Okay.
Arrow pointed towards exhaust.
Close call. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, you want the arrow of the piston on top. You want the arrow of the piston on top of the piston pointing towards the exhaust, as it is.
Now I gotta get the other one on.
Yeah, actually, I forgot that little screwdriver. I need that crap.
Oh my. Close call.
Yeah, you're about to... Close call.
Shut up.
Yeah, shut up. I've never seen you freak out like that before. Oh my. I hate these C-clips. God. Little technical difficulty.
Oh dang, you're bleeding bad. Oh, that's a lot of blood. Top end rebuild gone wrong.
Got it on, at least. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video.
Okay, we just gotta squeeze the sides of the rings while we get it on. Maybe bring the piston up a little more now.
Just you push that side ring. I'm pushing it.
Yeah, no. Okay. There we go.
Should I go ahead and try to, let's see. Yep.
Just make sure it kicks over smoothly and it's all good.
Alright guys, we just got the bike washed up. She turned out clean. Real nice. So we're gonna go ahead and install the new plastics we bought for it. New plastic kit. We're gonna go ahead and do that now. Alright guys, well here it is. It's all done. We got the new plastics on. Everything looks good. Nice little Yz125. What do you say, Matt? Get it started?
Yeah.
Let's go. We'll have Matt try to kick start it over. Just make sure the gas is on. I didn't turn it on. There should be enough gas in there.
It's going, yeah.
Let's hear her ping. Just don't keep it running long because we still need to add the coolant.